What's up, everybody? This is Dallas Doan here, and today we're going to be talking about mentorships, where I think you can receive the best type of mentorship for 3D artists. So in the past year now, I've been getting some very flattering requests seeing if I'd be interested in becoming their mentor. Words cannot describe how kind that is, and how some of you, think that I could help guide you to your career in 3D. So anyone who has reached out to me about mentorship, I right away bring them to the Mentor Coalition. So this is the mentorcoalition.com, and I'm not sponsored by them at all. And they have tons of different types of mentorships, right? From career coaching with Josh Lynch, character art, level design, lighting mentorship, PBR mentorship, stylized art, VFX stylized, VFX realistic, weapon art. They have this wide range of mentorships. I think that it's definitely worth it if you're looking for a mentorship and you're really serious about getting into the games industry. This is where I would be looking. The main reason why I recommend the Mentor Coalition is because this is where I would go if I wanted or needed mentorship. These coaches, right, or mentors, they're like on top of their game. They're the top of their class in terms of being in the industry, right? So that's why it's so valuable for you if you want to have someone guide you. So check them out, the Mentor Coalition. Again, I'm not sponsored by them. It's just something that I see on my Twitter feed and stuff like that, and I believe in it, and I think that it's great. If you know of anyone else who does environment art, mentorship, and things like that, let me know inside the comment section. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if this is the type of content that you want to see. Follow me on Twitter. That way you kind of get to know what it is that I'm up to, and see you guys all next time. Bye now.